Hello, welcome to this speaking and vocabulary lesson. Today we're going to learn how to talk about exercise. We'll do this by describing pictures. There are 3 pictures, and let's go and start the first one. Okay, in this picture you can see the vocabulary on the side. The first word is blank. Blank is a type of exercise. So the woman in the photo is doing a plank. Okay, she is doing a plank. Yoga mat. So she is doing a plank on her yoga mat. So we can write she is doing a plank on her yoga mat. The next one is core. And core refers to the muscles near your stomach. So all of the muscles right around here, it's called core. So we can say that doing a plank is good for your core. Planks are good for your core. Strength. So this is a noun, and strong is an adjective. So that's the difference. Strength and strong. Noun and adjective. So we can say that doing a plank requires core strength. Doing a plank requires core strength. And difficult. It means not easy. So we can say doing a plank is difficult, especially if it is for a long time, like 1 minute or 2 minutes. It is quite difficult. Straight. The woman's back is straight. So straight. It's very important when you're doing a plank to have a straight back. Sunshine. You could say there is sunshine on the floor and wall. Sunshine. There is sunshine on the floor and wall. Now, if we put all of these words together, we can have a paragraph like this. So it says, the woman is doing a plank on her yoga mat. Planks are a great exercise to develop core strength. It is a difficult exercise because you have to keep your body straight. This is an attractive picture because of the strong woman and the sunshine coming in through the window. So let's move on to the second picture. Our first vocabulary word is barbell. So that's the equipment that he's holding. It's called a barbell. He is lifting a barbell. Deadlift. That's the next word. Deadlift. A type of exercise. And it's kind of like for back and legs. So he is doing a deadlift. It's just like plank. She is doing a plank. He is doing a deadlift. Sneakers. He is wearing sneakers. Sneakers. Sports shoes. So these words, full body, back, and legs, they all talk about what the deadlift is for. So we can say deadlift is good for back, legs, and full body. Excellent. Very good. There's kind of a trend in the English lessons online, especially on like YouTube and social media, where there's a lot of videos titled "Stop Saying Very." If you say, "This coffee is very good," actually you can improve your vocabulary by stopping to say very. You could say, "This coffee is excellent." Putting all the words together, a man is preparing to lift the barbell for his deadlift. Deadlift is an excellent full body exercise, but it is especially good for back and legs. The man is wearing shorts and sneakers. All right. And the third and final picture, yoga. Yoga is relaxing and healthy. Okay? Yoga is relaxing and healthy. Balance. But yoga also requires balance and strength. Balance. Okay, and this exercise is called tree pose. So again, we use the verb doing. She is doing a tree pose. Zen. Zen is a calm, peaceful state of mind. So you can say she is feeling very zen because she's doing a tree pose beside the ocean. Tranquil. It's similar to zen. So you can say she feels tranquil because she's doing a tree pose by the ocean. She feels zen and she feels tranquil. Very similar meanings. I don't know how to define horizon other than the line in the distance. I'll just point with my mouse here. This is the horizon. She is looking at the horizon. Looking at. Fit, being in good shape and healthy. Could say that yoga helps people to be fit. Yoga helps people to be fit. A fit woman is doing yoga while staring at the horizon over the tranquil sea. She is practicing a balancing pose called tree pose. This woman seems to be quite fit and zen. Okay, which picture is your favorite? So your assignment is write about your favorite picture using all the words that we have. Also, write all these words in a notebook, and next time you go to the gym, try to make sentences with these words. To do this, you can talk to somebody at the gym, or you can simply write in your notebook. And I hope that these words help you talk about exercise. Thanks for watching this speaking and vocabulary lesson.